Riley here from Lume Cube, and we're going to walk you through setting up your first anti-collision light with your drone. In the box, you'll find one strobe light, or three if you purchase the 3-pack, one red color cap, one green color cap, and one set of 3M dual lock for each strobe in your box. Step 1 is taking the 3M dual lock, peeling them apart, and taking one side and sticking it anywhere on the drone that you would like your strobe. But note, be sure to place it in an area that does not interfere with the propellers. Take the other side of the 3M dual lock and stick that to the back of your strobe anti-collision light. And now that you have your 3M dual lock connected to both your drone and your strobe, take your strobe, line it up with the dual lock on the drone, and mount it via a firm press to make sure that it's securely mounted. Let's walk you through the controls. So the strobe incorporates a one-button technology, which means all three settings, high strobe, low strobe, and continuous light output, are going to be activated via the one single button, which is pushing down on the top of the strobe. One tap on the top of the strobe will give you 2 quick flashes, letting you know that your strobe is charged. To turn it on, give a 3-second hold to the top of the strobe, and that'll activate your highest strobe mode. The next setting is a low strobe mode, which is activated by a 1-second press on your anti-collision light. The final setting is a continuous light output mode. With a 1-second press, you'll activate this as setting number 3. Now that you're in continuous mode, a 1-second press will bring you back to your highest strobe setting and start the cycle over again. At any time while on any setting, a 3-second hold down will turn the strobe off. If you'd like the strobe in red or green, either of the included color caps can be mounted at any time via a simple press down which locks into place. And now you know how to use your strobe. Now that your drone meets all federal regulations, go out and enjoy the flight.